na wo beka se won kan be bia da sasantemantam de se wo de NPP amanukuo no t-shirt krama wo mo a ebi on beto aba e de ama wo se on kan be bia sa ti nipa bia wo mo agena no asi bone no wo mo enhwe na wo mo ntene wo mo enso ano san se be bia ni ho a obetimi akoka sa asem enei aka ne ana ye dodo nipa se koto aba maye no wa obi be dodo na koto aba ma no a na waton kokromoti de ama no enfie poropote enai enkoyi a ene na anu no obi ka no sa de hia mo wokumawu se mo akogi sika na mo ato aba ne ne wokotena wo se enkoyi a hwan na akoka kire no na wa na watukoti esan wo yemu san se duba bi ese enhwe asetram ne nto abapa na wokogi sika keto bi ne bi akoto aba de mu obi na wie ye no kotena wo se asetram nsem enkoyi ne ne kekan ka ho a na wa no aba obeto ye no na aitse odon saba akon kire obi so ne nan aka no enso busa ase na wo so otesen ana se ede na wo so hunu ti yenhwe ne yie na ye ndi sika nketenkete bi achi enkoto aba enso emma amanuko bia sanse okoye ne sa dakin bia no obenu hu ko wankrata ne ba adwaman so no nsam ahodo a ewomu edoso papa ye na ni nyina so efa oma no ne nkankro ne mpuntuo so a ewose me no mienu ene ye kyekyere na ye de boa ama oman no enso kɔ nanimu tienko ne enkotobi ne enkenkan na animu ne animu no a ye di tudwa no ye ndom sukɔ na afei de betimi aboa ama oman no akɔ nanim no ye nyina ye nsua na ye mfa so sanse panisi onsomonsom eno aso eni nipa ye ne ya na ye bekyekere kwasi buru ni onfiri ni mem ema mekyekere o man ye yekope IMF bosen monhwe instructions ahodo a ewo ho adachi bia ye ne ya ye besan te ye kakanka enso ewo ho medi di breto ba kwasi twumesi me sore na fe dwumedie no nso atoa eso
Chania Disaheba capsules.
Madansi ni.
Hey, and so what you nyapa na ndia. What's the said Disaheba? Ngokwa. What is sasa?
Mendia, unim bibi. And nedia. For once, my chiwadi Adusaheba mesana. O come for mami no. Oh, manuma diwa dansi. Miampa kaneno. Na Mrs. na mintimu nyina twetweme. Na me koko yade so tete mi. Me numa Adusaheba mesai. Ni nyina tuko. And my free.
Adusam radio. Ye tore di woni na ye wachi ayisisi yade kokwa duro kase pa me say apanso kro ne adwumatin bebrepe sanye Disaheba mixture enka mawu
odo na nsai de wonya pomde pa o
eya Disaheba capsules no
ajanie eya no krepa adusamre obia tumenum bi agisa penfo abatan ya wo mokwadanfo ene wona woni mfie dunye kumase atofo ne atofo kwa Disaheba center ne clinic e waso me macro go filling station down no emu ene so me Pentecost and sold down. After na ewa heba shop ni pharmacy PM. Free 0500 110 115.
Adusaheba
Madansi enie.
There's some time Minia na hifa na wokwa wani abere hu sei ko unum se ananu ya fridge amekoto ye asem ye kurampo enye ye biu entim pebebi papa minya fridge papa to a be chama me
na wonte Artist Prestige Enterprise fonka
omuso na efo
ene me de asem asie ho de ye frɛ no tade na menkyɛ wade o tade na wakyɛde di akiri rum ha de
opebebi eton fridge papa
Artist Prestige Enterprise
omo fridge ahodo pi
so peketwa kɛse ɛhɔ ne ho
say table top
double decker
di freezer
ho san wo display fridge wo
se
fridge na grass wo animu a uhu de wo mu no ni nyina abi o
sir ene ma ya me ho
omo gas cookers rice cookers blenders TV set every 32 inches coping 65 inches afei air condition type bia any home theaters apapapa fine microwave and a washing machine nyina bi mekane majade na enam so mo nyoma ye papanti ade bi a obeto bia no omo a warranty san kyawade
ene udi asoma sie mi ampa so mo san nyoma nyina bi ho de ameko osisi a
omo wa Brepo Junction da bia ye friend ship mu no hwa na obehu om sansu na atonsu agogo omo ne adansi rural bank na hwe animu frɛ 0243 414822 and 0553 319455 Artist Prestige Enterprise home appliances papa fi
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
Sorry.
DFA. One kasa wo de hoahoa wo hu. Mo hwe me skin. Ama me sha atare a memre kra. Nyame Skin City Laboratorium adepa enetono. Ye hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation. And no ye yadewa gudu bia ewo redie nani a Skin City pe ene betimi ye free ho. Malesma eye nam so obeye wo manim sunburn area show freckles ene nkeka ho. Eno danche ye ka bibi se acne ye pimple e bani panim. Ebi dia soso ye wo echitosis. Eno ti wonum se na don saka skin na. Wo filisa skin rere sa facial ye rere ho. Senior ene ye white dot ene patches e ba redie nani. Ube unso bo wa redie nani na muni said ye bubu pleats. Ana guidance ena keratosis eno so ye strawberry na kwa ye sa wudwa akokwa. Said ye akokwa hotie sisimu nkadam no. Ene ye wo anti-aging facial creams. Eno esiesie wo wrinkles. Ema nipadua ne sane fefefe. Ene ye sa wo se wo beware. Was skin enye. Eye Skin City Laboratorium pe ena meka for the amount. Ene ye wo dry dark knuckles. Eno eye wo nsachi aye tuntum. Wotimu so obi ne kala fepa. Na so ne nsachi aye na ma. Afi ye wo dark neck. Okwo mu say no na ye tum. Ene ye wo severe dry skin. Ye wo severe oily skin. Ena damage skin repair. When it aswasa. Eye Skin City Laboratorium pe ena meka for the amount. Facial and body waxing. Ebe wow. So wo pe Skin City Laboratorium achira kwan ya. Ye wa sokori mampo. Affordable house and share ni mu pe. For 0248 936297 0248 936297. Oba jo so adwuma ye fo nanim tese. Uyam ayekro anasa emu kekaw uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anasa emu samfono uhia amuzuke wayase ya woya anasa wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743
abusuafo e namase semwatwa ye ni age aboafo nka to aba ha ya genkwa 101.9 kasafidie so na anopai dwumadie bi ba bekoso nyankopon ya adoma eda ya woda adaje ni puso ye kwode nyankopon ase akohye ne munyam bineza pempenso a wode ye ababedwumi na wo bisa se dwumadie be ya Oil Group Incorporated ana eneyi wonom se Mountain of Wonders enyam vinhia makomako du anunti omo hye ho fa ade otwedi ampon ase Jumedi no shasiye 1st June edaya wode di enimi ekukosi 4th June ne kosi ada so na 1st June kosi 3rd June no die program no be shasiye 4 pm akosi 8 pm enwume no na kosi enwume no nwotwe na 4th June no a eye da kosi ada no die shasiye anopa no nson na ya to dwomo tie nyame asem di asa ada otwedi ampase so ama Mountain of Wonders enyam vinhia du so when media si naso Prophet TK Samuel media no kwaso wo kumase ebuakwa macro na Kisa Junction nkawe kwantempo no so e na program no kwaso ensenche da so no oyifi odifo Samuel ngumedikan ni etinso ni mu dumienu kosi edu miensa so 1 Samuel 7:12-13 o se Beneza kasafo ebi eye Dr. Makamwati USC Prophet Francis Ajima USA ene nyame nkrofo e man member kukudan a wono edu wono nyam beta dwumadi echi be se da no edwom ene asa ebebo to se di nsu ato abo wono bibi ni afre 0240187979 0240187979 now say 0242181821 na yenyo so yakwa homa no so ne ne sa akwade pepra obede pombede eni nkomo na no pain baby a wodwo de ekoso wontwa fonyi nche alo sa akwade
obi sa bejo so
akwa na fie ye boko de
na me adum ade achi we de asidaba ba yakopon so adum ye na ila so konje de na adum boko
yo alo pain fa no wodwo de na ekoso wada o matwa fonyi nche
Officer me that so no ka tell very people asante achim central we be SSF no ana sa media rola bi team o ha na mi ya ne se no oba e dare pakia omo efa eho cash ahodo no etu wo mo akwan ebi kwankan ebi ko agogo ebi ko obogu da so ene ya kan na ha ana mo papa so e ha when you say, I said, I hold on, I don't know, say, don't move it to my family to my place, now, you could, there's a macro, which is the ones that are free, immortal. Now, sentiment to one say, you can't, you can't, a farmer, you can't, you can't, a car sentiment to graphic plans so far. That's as a touch of century idea, is that it is send me your mother, son, on the kitchen. Maybe from nothing after the small paper. The we from no, I will bet you I had a car and a car and a car, I take you, or maybe emphasize Ama, hello, and maybe we will be a found to be a car, a air station. But because station, I tell I don't think I imagine that. Now, station media, I don't think I money, the coming from over now, almost a that they can now almost to me about and pata. And then a mama, the place, I bet you Obama, or more would you with no one, or more about so any Patana baby, I have a Mujuma, Ewa, in Patanano, a bit of cleaning now, it's you. When we say, Obama Margin said, or more ever care, and you. Obama Margin said, nobody 50, you don't pay my somebody 50, they come back and I do everything. And I say, or more, you have money than that. It's a coffee I say by, alcohol, how they are bad. When you get your question, I'm in 24 hours. I was again, I could probably send the money and send the or how big it was at Central. The 24 more, you have part of the Bagana. I think more about your grandson. Yeah, again, I'm a million sending a young the Bagana.
Yo, I'm a play with the Wasi. Now, a chief for, and then I will everybody, let us say, I found the I'm going to say, you're funny, how far you can buy for my. And I got here, something the mercy that I wore, and I'm going see, I will say, and we will say, the station I can time, but some Patani to our panel. If you had your time here, and the Indian who for them, Papa Sector, some prospects are different. Now, I'm going to transfer and so on. And no, and I say, I go for contractor. No, Mrs. Year, no, she said, when you're not the mine. I'm by your hand, and I'm going to say, if you're not a good I say, there, if an amount of something, no, and Pemitina, and I'll mind Pemitina. Come for some chess, you know, I say, yes, I didn't know. And no one that is to my show, I'm in 2 watching about. Now, so, you can just say, fish there. You give that to Lydia. Young Uncle James Assemble. And I got somebody see a station on mine. You move me a station. And now look at the you share something. I say, that's just to say about the webinar. I didn't cheat my own person of America. We ever decide what you mean about. I was always Uncle Kirby, I know the now more Chiahoka, now I say, now here I'm the passport. You can get a effect. I said, I'm going to say, I'm not someone, I'm going to say, then when they are going to pass or how we do it. In another way, take on the assembly and you can be built a chocolate bay. On your way. And I'm going to say, and your man because of Tantan. I don't think any years bay. Your mouth wasn't my business. Your mouth was a bay, my young idea. I didn't know what my area. It is all the many attempts to Casa. I was saying some of my apostle and so much my Ejama, I'm a more bad. And Chiaco Basia, those who think that I'm a family of friendly also, I will not make a church. Who is that? The young boy said a woman or how the better among farmers or ever. Sabi, I somewhere open, and yet I send the other. I'm not planning anything. I'm not planning over money for me. And I will hear see that. A sector and a airborne. The sector and airborne. I didn't know. 10% to the yo. And you know, the Pamita from me. Then she said, wow. I said, we deal with my own, we deal with the wall. And one no, it's a very Juma. And I said, no, we're cleaning. Sir, young Papa Macquans will be a main Jaffa. And just a Macquan again. You wouldn't say. That's a young family at once. The teacher will say, or more agency now, and that's all Momoya, and I'm more than a mobile search at your family. Oh, I said, no, na no mwati nti enne kwa no mo so bo se nje ti bia na ye beti omo nti no so mo ka so mo yensi a ye be ko na no mo nchen ofu a afenya hu the next step
anya ba ma me san so ya no ma nenu na wa ba fo na kaya ebe ye ka se be tie mo so e wa e fa ka contemporary ti ma se ko eye na ko pa ya de mu ya chimiri aya se be tie mo ha afa fa ye se ama ide e ba se ayo ka tie bi na ko ni mo ache a ta ti ko ta e ti ba ko ba sa a ni se obo ko fa asante akem eye agogo no be tre tiewu e so be timo ti ga se o tie mo jo so e kwa fa se kwa be wa ya ha be ba fo mu zu ko e ko be se ya o ha ba na e be timi e so e be abroad o to ni sa pe ya e ni ya chimiri o ha ba na de ba
o ha de e de bibiri na eba isan se kwan no esia e be dey e de duma na ka duma no ye na e be sei e ko iba e be chok e na nyama be bre ne baba na mpo ye nim se o mu ko ya na ye se chan ye na se tan ko mu ya se ni kwa na ewu eno so ni kan kwan so ni emfa ma ye chi nti e be sere e kwa ni de ye na se de ne de sambre na tuwa na mo no mu ti ni ye ya me de me sere hawo se don't na ye wo juma me sere o ma me ye fan e bi wa no but o bi kwa che hu ko mu se ase bi bi sia enya ase ye titoa
one ase hu ko
bi wo bi mi de no mo social media na o ka se ya hon mo no ase ba bi sia na de bi no o mo de ni ke gu pa
tambe ya be pie mo ihe sa e pe mo ya tineni na mo be sana se se ya akawa da me di evu ani asamo fo mo na bi amu ko tori se ba ba ni twa na mo ani wo mo aka so mo so se edike ti jem che kaka se be se ni
o ache nso che sa ni kwa ni se be ni ana se ko tia de e ye bi ko se ye kwa ni wie e wo abanda da pejogufo e penso no anche bia na amna be da ho ena e bi ase sa na atuje e wo ko ta ni mo a ko ta ni bu nti ache kakra e se ka perufo we no wo le mu bisa endu be bia se ja du bo mo isu kwa mo ti mo e ya se de na chance ama mo se wo fancy na sa e kwani ni e be cheno e bi da mo mo nya se de na chance ti ba to ni ye
ni ye ne mu siara mo da ye mo mo e di na bi no e wo bi na ko wi asamble no onim dia na onim na onim na wati de so do ye na so ye anze se me ga se be ma ya e de na me de ba ko pe mo no ho ni ko pe mo no na se wono so ampa ko ni mu a ni ni se bi tina ya ma ye ga so na ba ya so ba pe mu e wa Asante Akyem south wa Asante Akyem central we dey se ko no o na ye o ma hin agaba fani asabi ni shulo ana ya de atiga no se na sa kwa ko tinche e wa ha se se aba na fani na siko mu a wa amusu se aba ta ti ni suru ne ban a o de tia na ya de a ha je kaka enti o mu amepe mu ha no mu na kaka ene se o mu ka de bia na fo so mu tia de tia ba na ja 24 no ebe be dia mo bisa agaba fo no o bu ka process de so mo betu tu o mo se na ko ti o mo so tu o mo efo ana amra no a se wo ko be bi de se ko ni o so se ebe nfe nu ni ye la ma fata be kem na de ka ka na tia se ene pia mu ne ka sa ze o ti amakwata se o mu ye kuma wu kwa no a ana o mo ba be ye awon se ye le shina ana ma be ye fa de ye le shina ko da busumi ni ye wu re enfe o ha and the limited job as a open and no shadow and so they are makwata we at before the na we are on the more what you kata at the about that how and I say oba na e on how so people and you me it's better to pass about no say omo we that's how no and then the business emu chewu mi no say for car ma no ko ka ka se pa na ni for the for so no ka o ka ti da na fa the point of say that's a quack or how a commissioner one, and that's a more for music. That's a so simple because I'm and I'm all any approaches. Then I catch us out of Facebook. He said, or what was it? The lady said, I'm already there. What must I'm not in the Paracano. hanya ehu dada ehu tumi kan social media ha ana ka say accident be obi ansa na de to wana obelefon Ethiopia accident be it is for omi enya sa do no o fa ji ro tu fu say o de sa e be ti to to dem obi en o go mo fi be bi sa o danger zone adema deba ko so e ti what ka de ya ni tumi so e o je ba omi ba uti ya me ade ba sa tra so e o be di so ya me aduma me da
sa kwade pepa ye beda se wo adwuma waye no anopai ye besre GPRTU ani drobafo a won wo kono wo se omonya assembly no enkamom se beyo a wonum adwumadi a wodi no enkofa pinchin eni watimi wakame bia emma wo ye dani a assembly no ena ye hyehyeye ono na ye mra enti wonhwe na asondwe ni pelepele yo enkoso enwo konongo na bibia enye kama ahaya ajenkwa 101.9 kasefdie so meka o se yes to me live e wo Facebook page no ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 ajenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube ajenkwa FM live okwa obehye obelike no comment ewiase nyina ebete wonka ewura no a ene waje peni a wode won bre eba beso woman Emira Alhassan Abubakar or Deputy Nasara Coordinator Swami anopai obetrase Mira Mujis Madi aswase NDC amekuno mu okasa de ma wo mum na Mira kwaku entry owusu woye political analyst akra anopai ono so waje na dwa waje na African way we de Ghana way kama pa na watrase ma me nko ne nchen na mimisa no se efiempo etesei akra efie woko de
Yekrumza
yekrukrem
because the Bruno because pressures of life you they no they na discouraging and say one year ho a ani je pa unya bi enti drobe bia na wayi wani na de unni hu tumi bia no afa ne saa eno na Ghana any Africa for yedite unlike elsewhere Bronia yen say the next 5 years ahana mjina short to medium term to long term yen very few any timiwo sanjishe na say wo sori anopa ko gina abontin pekoko ata and sana where do you break faster you don't have that ahodino say obabeku school a just no crown here usra wadamfo bi no asande wo momo na watimi aya na just no the 6 months ahead of you no hyehyɛ saying enti eno ya na those of us aya ye dream deep no ultimate dream will be kra na wo kra wasa aye mobo fi say ekom unkwa wo mia dangerous ese nipa atwa wo ho ahia ni nyina amen
na dia asomdua
ba the whole society and community na ye part of the world ye managers no I'm not talking about leadership omo ye managers no omo so selfish say utie political terrain no need the ekoso a utumu say me self-centered political rhetorics enunkwa na menye sure say any single individual even Kwame Nkrumah ye man dani obia no enye onunkwa na ye bibia and you want to say sa collective responsibility no ye de be ye adwuma ne ye jai me and I ko yewi once it is not true because what is the meaning of cabinet enunti ama ye nyina ye mobo se wo hia obi na wo hwe nanim o de titrotrum ne se de wasi muna meti ni muna driver ni muna passenger muna entina ya wasema o kadia se mi tie wa no pa una ma misro because more or less I live alone intimity wa na se obi ye commentary bi aso jai nyina be ko busam jim
aso ma no se dia akura wo kan ensem ogu amanfo tim ensem ahia amanfo akomemu no enye papa obi aye pif
we a wo bebie telephone lines
ye mechia we ene onu no ye no focus here
ajenkwa wonu de
be say to no ekom na di no sabio wutie wo be tuma fro obi achia no ekom ni bre enti wo be hoho nipa ba ko ama nipa na be dane ewiase ajenkwa eno so anya possible enti aso obia no edi nani ahwe sa to proketua no enti se nipa no nya kwanya no duru soro ha he tend to forget about everybody because how afei no obetia wo be school fees afei enti bakofo no ne sabeti mayede enti edru bra ese ye nyina hu se even one more ye tauto wo so wo ye skafo no enti saska no wo say yes started dreams na ye de hu gina ye be jai MPs ni how ye be jai assemblymen no how ye be jai political leadership no how na fi ye nyina de adwen kakra ba in our area of jurisdiction no yetima boana men ya pebebi agina say ya ye ba betu about 2024 who dey next year obetinti hu na because wo airwaves oh masa na say ade sabi o usade so nya kra sa o ento to ne me na we nye etenie ne ye hwibi ne ye chese ye be yesa me
safo ne hwe so hia fo mango a o
na say sabi o ye ka say akufado ba woni atwa bi so da
depi
to mama uhu ni ba
depi
enti sa wo so de chobo ya na obeye no wo ba na bewu se wono Rollins ba ezaneto wonim se na won to ba Ghana hada on to se wo ba begina osu o ti abruchire ko no suku papa bi afila wo ba begina wiem am ya besunsum no enti ya hwe ya upper class for na ne bedie so no so the time ba eno so hye osaye ebubosa ebufosa one day na ajiwo ebi asida Rwanda a typical example na nka obi ti radio so na no pa ekani petimi kum nipa sa enti omo mafra kodrusu no omo dwena omo nhwe yi fise bi a wo de wo bewu akọ but 50 years from today ehini omani ye bejina ana omo ya dia asifu say yanya yakano bibia no obi atrim enwan say sa
okay
tre sam enti ye momodin na odo no odo ni centerpiece so wo odo mu obi a wo ka no krekere enti etwa bibia so na ye de ono akotra so ono wo friends family and friends enti mo amaka no mo nka ho eno so de abufushew ese de na me kan trotro masem obi abuofu enti car driver credit break so twe na passenger ti kopena bonu
okay nyameti asibe ye na elder Kokwaje ni Boateng lecturer Presbyterian University wasi anope o enjoy wonsem no pa o chiao
oh elder si o say me masem hu boni o me mre ya ni say I don't know whether it's by my training ya na enchia pa mentanye but ye content ye culture
ya woni abrofo atena do woni ntiana
oh not that me no me started my brabo alone in Accra
okay
on say in Accra so de aye mokosani bi oyo I say obi anfo obi ho
my obi ani
obi anyu obi a enti eno no na enyinyina na adimi mu dem. Indeed, there are people that they have to be recognized. For example, Elder Ubonidi. Not only Grasa Mampon, or no so Mamponi, ne Yirinina, me call school back.
Okay.
As you say, Minya Quenya, as a Sankasa, Nipokui, me walk while Womotum Tumum, who said the Omo Kafa me only the Omoyano, Yanam Nisono. Do be a night yafaso or Mufancha Messeson. Dr. George Akon, Michel,
okay,
and Nanantinanko, or knows our Coloniami, and Omoa, no Mudia, and
Reverend
Boateng,
Ranford Asante, Boateng. Nene Reverend said Neba Emmanuel Asante Boateng. Emmanuel Asante Boatin ene ye wa woda wenye mfinhia no aduonu num o ye wo national service e wo Otafo municipal assembly na de wo maame no papa ene abusuani nye kan se Emmanuel Asante Boatin onyankopon won kan ho wonti nanim enkyere wo pa baabi abeso oduro wa asechane abrabo mu bia no wono ankasa ma yokoduro honhom na wonfa wo enkonkoduru Emmanuel Asante Boatin happy birthday ene we free o papa Reverend Ransford Ohia Asante eno maame abusuani nyina ene se yemfa ema wo yo papa yenhwe Attorney General ena ene yi wode krata akoma speaker say asem of emrahye bedwa akonya na atompan ti afede won kan che wiase nyina se akonya no obi nte so samrahye bedwa ni e ba na saade a panyisia no metu anu mesi na je sa abato nkonkwa mu by election e ba beba so me no ka say MPP fo wo ho NDC fo wo ho obi nim de mo ka akope be ka kira wo se Ghana ba bia yaduru mo ma yem prefer by election che general election obi nte ase amanyofo na akro mo prefer by election che general election ene beboa papa asem no ne kan no ana
sanity
Tony General say speaker nka say say die e ho vacant
okay me that say Reverend Osimuacho many Reverend Asante ne banya 25 years and nature say abrabon wa bobi and ye born in ne yire ni na busuan baso na abrante no so ne papa akal to bibia oye ono so onhwe ne papa fi say amfo
chenen to
so no ono so mono braye said de be ya katrema empro no woka papa empro woka bone so and also the whole chain with the rule of law and a prevail until se drew sa breya ayemra sem and sabio seat no so intimi dampan nti amanyofo no ye preparation a omde ekwakoto aba na me misusu say adrumra 1992 constitution ye yen sakra ye kakra
papa sa sem wenye ya menti ase no Ghana ifan se Ghana yi fu nya yi ni pedua emu nkono eno bi ya adwen na no pese ye nyen sachaye nanso ya ka wa na ye
eno ena dakubi ingrati one who so credit wo mododo sana nseme wo bi atida
who is to bear the cat
ena omokoto don obi ba ko de adwen ba se yento don ne yemfansen wo krakrom no ba abo ena omjiji ska koto don afi de na aka ne se ba ko benya kokudro edi don na kosen
klama ba ma me fa don si
enti sana yeme yete
enti ba na sa me hu ye nya serious ana because ye hu ne say ye bon nsam ni ebi ni esgracia nsam yi wo bia nim say esgracia nye but wo kan say we ye film ni nya yi say enya simple sa ayambla na wa adi no so kun ye ti entra nwa nkonkosi da be
the wheel of justice no ekoboko na ye kan Ghana nsesa kakraba but ye development is very slow nti say wa anyere wo ho a ahwe a nsema abekeka no enti wudi ye mamre no abe kire de yenye di nti ameka sa ne say enka obi frim ana obi nya asema sika ye de be ye za by election sanki it me di si one school crowd area ho na ye lebu no say ABCD and came say louder.
How did you say can make me a school?
Oh, na school dine say.
Okay.
School dine say and me say you have this 30 bibia. President Kufuor ba sa park Jubilee.
Yeah.
Say na hoye but otimi Kenya no ho ye bi origin bi and the ho ye pe bibia ya
ko.
Even election crown presidential esenke ye no one term. Nesika bibriba ye di be ye election no yem fan channel no to other areas.
Okay.
2 terms saying. Say 1 term and Kaoga say John Mama near brain what in baby general. It means you sure say
1 term they are not brilliant soon. Impuntuma person ye.
Nasa 1 term and 4 years. It be a yen bear 5 years and 6 years.
Also the bear busumi sia busumi nkoni be yi wa pamfo. Vet
1 term.
And look na afa ba ko ne ko.
A matter of choice. Sisi ya o mo bonto e. Unim nipa no omunam. Unim nipa omopel. Unim nipa omo ne odwen pepepe. Enti wo bonto an necessary wo hihye government.
Okay.
Enti as soon as a ben bebum kran.
Unim sa abesema gi abesema si ko bente.
Na wo de wo twen akotra wo wie na wo di 100 days na ye krokro na afi ye excellency na afi na dream na start. Ese ye hihye ya dem die. Bible aka say why ene opeso si dan a on transi engine and sana was starting emfa say ne wanya 1 million uzi mesi dan we are here we be foundation we cry na sika na san and yes say you planning ahead we have to be reactive and proactive.
Okay.
And when we begin to do these things ebe main dudu no so akwanya mgo bia hwehwe ne niam yi enti eja we NDC seat enka omalusu city no oma enhihye ni afa ni ye de ahyem na bibia atwa
anu ye whereby ya on such a na wo kan bebem
sa enti ye say ye hwe bibia beboa ye say ye ka say ye corner strictly the advanced nation way ye bepem ebia na nchi asem a de bia medi hu fo baby o a na nkese say utimi emaye hu true identity.
Okay.
Watch Africa tare utuntum bibia na ata adwen no ayesa emwa enti esese ye to ye buye pa na ye dwen na nke political office ye 1 term especially presidential na MPB free anase bibiba the one winning seat no for that tenure no or duration no na nke ye di abeshim ye omwa party na yubi ne na beshim
ku ko se e ka no so beti
ama afi ye be ye niema yi na party leadership yi ye obu wa oti wokwo na say na me tie video bi ana papa bi person address President Muhammad bra obrey de
o pedian kese de abobɔ no na adjectives no so ma
enra moni pay press conference and me one camp for de na beba enu anse wo brofu no pagya no de abeso wuntumi ase na meke wo pagya no de apem ho
so ye chama nti wo se wo ye bi
na ye chama press no multilingual so that say we press what the person who can one me ya type what chama pressman na wo be translate what to bo de wo kasa aka kire nipa na wiase ate wase. That's all. It ends there. Why do we do this now? What you want to
Dutch no work. 2% with the bubble for you.
China for almost brofu, but onka. China nuclear carbon not sometime one tell was some pa. Even British folk now, Omokasano, a quine woman. So one time a brofu ninkomo, Nasa Bruni Kasa. One pay attention that cock ears won't take America for sa can see also mukasa wo and yes you be num na say me be sometimes if me can bro from one we have kasa nyam ya me come my pantan is so na me kasa fa me minim enti yen hwe na ye kasa no ye mani nye de yen nyire ho yen starting ne ebedi be 100 years no na ye wo language na se broni kasa na ye ntimi nkan ye eno na still obia person kan na wo ye party chairman na kasa na eno na se brofo no ka brofo no so no woni hihye yo ayesi etwi kasa twi obi ho kan nye de fise ontimi hihye ni ye kasa na ese wo kan odi be kakra odi nenjeje no intonation e kosro now the above form to express what you mean. Say yes, yes, and yet once there. Then our development will speed up. Na yentimi yes ano. na yesi abrofo dia obi afrim yekoye by election we ye say yekoye say enu die e di how be brain fi say ade a wo ye no wankasa no onhye dante ase papa it is a democracy ya yakofa abesan ye minimum ya eduru ba bia na se akola bi sopanimu bim na ohrona sa na ye boy brana because o culture no eni na ye o identity eni na maye hu na yesu ye gyaye de na to eni yakofa kosi broni de no ene no so yentimi nye ni ye enti ade na ye nye na hybrid we kakra nanka ye konsa ni ya hihye na at a point no ye hwe na emwa ni asasisem to say the abrofo no sisem 1945 year e din esi wo ase enye world war Adolf Hitler one henchman omo bopo say omo be eradicate Jewfo nyina free wiase ekosisen enti ye fa wenyan sua ni ye hu say ye wa adwuma ye say ye ye problem na next almost half solved na de ye na NDC NDC ni bia ho nyefe MPP ni bia ho nyefe NDC ni bia NT MPP kasa ena NDC MPP so NT NDC ni kasa enti ye ho say ye gina mfimfim o kasa tebia you are in a dilemma because o take kakra bia asmato esi enti adru bra yensu yen yamamre no na yem polish no fa bi nhihye your constitution yim enko obi awu enfansa aka 1 year na ehimfo what that community opinion leaders political party no matrase na namuso adwene na community nase no sese aka mfemi no enti yesabe je eni ade na party mu ma we nko ya wato nkwa di nu mfemi no enti enu no jisu obi sa ko ni asa ko ma no busia na ya toka ma no na mi busa se jesi question no busia na oje di toka na enu ebe ye den ye di ache no ana ye man residents Accra enu so a lot more things need to be decided. It is enkaye changing the keka nke no anse ka no waja yesi ho a new NDC ni obeba no wafa ka no musia no bi mpo bidio aye dada na ye kotop ka wa brochire ba ha ka dada no wo yire se mi kunu to ka mo no asu bi na bru fiedu de ka mo brand new car 3.5 years akoin enko babia ka nya asphalt so na mo de na enye nkran obo okro okunu kroma o han ka won pese we no candidate enti ka no ni residents and once a resident near mano ye free me ya finish ne foforo enu na bi bedru ha na ye huri dwam home use empa mono chia you see enti ye dey we are used to used things so it's not be any problem say enti yesre minimse wo mu koi sisi ya yense samra no de o mu be but minimse papa no so what's our other case to answer because you were president Adamu second day ye de ne kotum okoda fiase na we ye be jan sa say
Adamu die no de anyway die no mu che say there is a slight nuances bi wo mu a o say we no obo isi no amane ye say ewura no mu anamontu a me tu ni na bia na COVID-19 ti
form ukofa form say o pese o ye MP masa me ma filibida to me name how is it citizen of Ghana yes you take enye verbal and wako tran wako ye argument enti form no so na COVID-19 space bi o one space
it is so criminal you bet no wana.
That is what I am thinking. Probably the lawyers can give us more education.
No so beba. Assuming without admitting, say no, it is in pipeline. Yes, beba. NDC for me say once I'm going to Jinebio.
Oh, no, sir. I'm running NDC for.
Me say yeah, men can say NDC for.
Okay.
Just o mo be say sadia no in the nearby future bia no bebe mu a omo ba trans ya hwese Judge Kwesi Nkoja woman name.
It is not a wise decision to take to me.
Okay.
It's not a wise decision, but who knows? Say ja amanyofono. Omunya drusro a omu nyansa che biase ni bia. Omu kwa ni nimra. Na no say a man bia lawyer or kasa baba kan buso achem Supreme Court. On say your friend
person white
or pacho. Me nkoya dia minim say ye bone mpa ho chew da ene emewu. Se minya fun na minim say ma she da se me ya me mpacho. Enti se ka wo ye bema tna internet so kan wadwen no. Na ko yi wani. Now we see you test the law. Now wo kan de wo pesa wo kan wie. Na wasa ba asa watin tezu de wo ka
tell. Say na chese de wo kan anya no kure dia.
Wo ye me masem.
Okay.
Wo ye bema no edu me masem ye wo kan na waba. Na ye besen wa na yasen. Na wo kan wie na on the lawyers so mo ye team. Omo ni omo homma. Ye hu esa John BC.
Yeah.
No omo pacho na chachuchi katakra no ye lawyer for then President Mahamano no sa pacho. That is the I don't know, it's a law professional. San wo mutia omo edom ho to the sense oni opponent oni ni
kan wa kan
no and we bonzo nyina besa kan bo no.
Okay. Mira ko Jewusu no wate de kalo and Mira Mujis Madi okasa de ma NDC Accra Transi. Ma mi musa nse fiempo ati sei.
Nyankopon dom yetin ko emu de be de wade ase. Because yes election na no pay new biana etimi
nsa kan bi.
Yes. Enti se nyina yakoda enu anajo na yetimi asowe ahoden so ho na bibia wo ho dia na chese na sia ni enne nkabia de ma otwedi amponyankopon na yensanche etifu muti ajonko FM se me ya enani na nyina because enyo mo anka yentimi metena ha yenka yeboso asem encho me father so me said this is the first time I meet
yeah
na mensanche and na mensanche ya wo any NDC for muti mi enano pay.
Okay. Akwa ya hwe Attorney General na wobo speaker amane na wodi tu nanim se on kama wiase nyanti se asin north se adam paye vacant nti yame adom na on the 6 emra se be wiase atnase a omo be se dia asem sitie na ye be pe date akwakoto aba wo a akwakoto asem nso mu essay
me pacho mamin na wase na min sanche etifu biom mamin che hono abulu muntaka ye MP ba ko a o wa sentime mu a wetimi eti a sentime nim me sama ni tin kwa ni just ended prime minister ekoyi na dodo na nim se ontimi ensa enko emrehye bedwa fie biom na nyankopon ye na dom wetimi awi ni convincingly asati na ni situ ntese nyankopon ye na dom na asawase fon so sato abanama no 2024 he will still be our next MP till 2028.
Okay.
Na president in waiting, so inshallah His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so be a mechiano. Supreme Court a verdict concerning Judge Kwesi renunciation case and citizenship case or whatsoever. Me buy na me father ka sembi. Now I largely agree with him, even though no na baby I start here the menyante, but getting to the tail end the metine kakra. I don't know the kind of democracy we are practicing as a nation. Say yanhwini na ye limiti ye partisan politics and say ye democracy to NPP NDC ya. Yentimi nko yenim.
Okay. But what will be woman?
Inchibiano or mine begu. Simply because these two parties, power, they show Maxwell. They tend to use their power to influence almost all other organs. No?
Yeah, okay.
At their Yani say, you were the executive body, and you were judiciary, and you saw the legislature, which are the parliament. When executive body no, omutimi di use omo power influence the decisions of the judiciary as well as the legislative body.
Okay.
Which shouldn't be so. Organ biano e was say etnase etimi for no anadwini compromisation be anywhere ewum. But in recent times, you know, we hear most of the decisions of the Supreme Court now it tend to be said every layman be ano korano it me pinch hole in the decision of omuteki. Enye jachi kwesi ndi anu nko ano.
Okay.
Oba say layman ko only law background otimi using no common sense no korano. Omutimi ma verdict bi a wo awudwene ho korano na chese sebi uhia enchirechiremu bi edifa ho because it beats logic. With the case of Jachi Kwesi no enti me no tembiano I don't side with decisions they call Supreme Court for interpretation, even though the crafters of the Constitution in their own wisdom no in same way or match bonepo na chese brani bi nyina no e wo say e call Supreme Court na e kope ehun de ehun chiechemu enti nchiechemu amanfo no ma no e subject to change.
Okay.
Because nipa and the nipa or translating and answer or interpreting based on his understanding.
Okay.
And to me father so uncle no netisa panel no so on so be interpreting based on his or her understanding.
Okay.
Also the same thing means the same thing. And at na yenya one uniform body I bet translating once and for all as sebi. Me name say emano me ko say netie.
Okay.
Here nchirechiremu bia no. I don't get it.
Okay.
Because me to ho a send me sika no me interpreting based on send me te ho ase. Won so ba obe ni the same thing, obi so ba obe the same thing. Enti ko enimo no na amanfo bi hu ne say empanimfo bi tachire na influence that whole interpretation and I say end results no.
Mamuji say me to asem ya say bebi na ye di nkomo. I think say e levy no buy ye no.
Yes.
MPP ni NDC both majority and minority. We issue ko na me particular issue no. Ade ba ko na no. The wise extra say different. And ade ba ko no ano yi NDC ni so also charge eye book ba ko constitution ba ko but did you we bia wo de and we bia de so work no what trans ya wa hwa ba ji obi ade no so ato.
Yes. Enti adan enti na make say the executive body no obia obeka say executive body entimi influence the judicial system enye no kore because oni na yi omo. I'm not saying largely say they influence all their decision making, okay. But okase omuntimi influence omo enye no kore because they have the power to appoint them.
It is all maame ya wo no akoju ohene.
Very simple.
So maame ti asenko adako obeka bibi abefa.
And also ade enso e fa interpretation say be wo nchirechire mu se ne osi say wo be influence e de na edi wo. My member case no so with the case of Jachi Kwesi no me minti ase with the interpretation Supreme Court e de maye no. Entina I don't believe say ebeko enimu kora no sebi ehun be ba asem. As at the time of Onua Jachi Kwesi filing the nomination no. Now was he a citizen of Canadian and I said not. As at the time of filing for the nomination no. Was he a citizen?
Okay.
No.
Why no?
Because me twen enti decisions are and I say how longer Canadian embassy and I say other embassies no so ebe take the ama response no na chere menka the sample say we are citizen and I say we are citizen. No, a citizen is always a citizen. So clause here the constitution it's only applicable to the legislative body.
Not them.
Yes, largely okay. The legislative body.
Okay.
Maybe most of the people who hold the debate dual citizenship say be ehun ni asem.
Okay.
But me person me ko in that tangent. let me just limit it to the substantive issue. Yeah, Papa no somewhere February. And now they encourage na educato Canadians for no say me person me denounce me citizenship.
Okay.
Emra or taking some process nyina no or tender the Canadian passport.
Okay.
And any other relevant document na e chere say onye on person obey Canada ni bio. Enti process no so e be take time answer na ayede the final way no aba.
Approval.
But before them no now they no longer see him as a citizen of Canada.
Canada for no.
There be. And a Ghana so say we invade now so and a dual citizenship over your chrome hands so and you see Juma. Until at that time no so no not still na osan ye Ghana ni.
Okay.
Ye nyina ye gye tumu say no so ye Ghana ni. One of the me patche. Enti na mi hu ekwan ya be fa so e be hold do no responsible for the delay on the side of the Canadian. Because interpretation
na nya ekoso no o ma easy yawe
no
you can't be aware. Excuse me. Ukofa form na wo fele easy oni obi an communicate form.
Okay.
So you take a citizen of Ghana, then you take and it's a ufana judgment no my say Canadian for no and a big allows it yes from henceforth you are not a Ghanaian. And he say omunyankan no you hold both citizen dual citizenship.
Okay.
So what I say, but form na ye feel wo Ghana no. One form. Easy one no be any engagement. Form no and e be there dance. So as a time now of filing in nomination as a parliamentary candidate for NDC party in that constituency, no, he was still holding the dual citizenship.
Okay.
No. EC's Supreme Court interpretation differs from that of the EC. Supreme Court no the omupa change na ne say once before once obetimi akase and I say etimi akase wedi na ozo a citizenship and I just don't know how to put it. It should be say before electoral commission ebebie omu nomination. Bibisa, I just can't.
And yes, I also would denounce one son of a fellow phone.
Yes, but as at the timer, or filing the nomination, was he a citizen of Ghana or a citizen of Canada?
He is a dual citizen.
No, he wasn't a dual citizen.
It's never true.
He wasn't a dual. He wasn't holding any dual citizenship. Enti the law no eye law no eye bako. Law no eye bako. Interpretation modeba it's in reference with the modema Zinato no. Zinato case even though two different things altogether. None of them has to make patrol be mnabotere. None of them has to do with say individual and they call ya or say at the time of NDCB or more nomination I say will be person or Gina as a parliamentary way or no be and some no and mama say interpretation no me we are me make reference to it on no mama say interpretation no a slight way no but they based on it say a bra was say in the case of Zinato no more party nyina ni say so we say before we to me anyone watch say we are citizen of Ghana. One, you need to be 18 years and above. Two, you need to be a holder of the voter ID card. And nasifo. And in her case no more party nyina say e bra NDC for e bi omu nomination no enye bra e bia wo betimi agina so say ono no onkita ni voter ID card and say voter ID card. In short no NDC's internal premise no cannot determine a citizenship of a person or otherwise, and I say the person is eligible to contest for an election or otherwise. And in short, no interpretation obemani eneno echenabi edaho otwe
echenabi edaho etwe as a precedence where you mujis madi yani abofo nkato ni emra ye pa ye beto so
uyam ayekro anase emu kekaw uhia amuzu k uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzu k wayase ya woya anase wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzu k heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743.
What's the wedding is it? Oh, you butu Wakaka.
Messi, Lufat na wajima were you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding were your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. No Messi semu huma yes. 101.9. What's me kuniya? My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama Tonodo. No, but no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, 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 one for ambulance na one.
Ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
Hey, no, nyasi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na one chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, no, you don't.
Indeed, malaria and come to them. Lufat. Malaria drop a test for malaria before treatment. FDA ashesha egede inkratoi ajatum se eye.
Abi national lande afeya beja cash na bedwa afei na madwuma no be koso ankasa bema na wo inflation achi ni pomotom se potos 101.9 no to bia na masa choko ya uhia sisia ne Abi national unia abi dien ani eye Abi national sikakrabia foforo wode oboso obia hwe wo mo won hyehyeye papa ebeso wo ha nyina no na botre wo boni ahohare a wode ye adwuma no masa wani beji keke enti for me Abi national for you omo we adum kejeti ha woni ajakum dan ne na di ntwani mu chale na odi mrika kwa he only me how do you know my problem enti ko Abi national kwabata bia ben wonne na hunu sikakrabia mu sompa se wo nsembise bia frenya sesi a e wo 0322 002 922 Abi national basum due safo a e wo sikakra mu
Radiado. Mimudiado, everyone be cool. Enku say, and you make cool one canope, make shower damage be papa. Cost of Bessie, Manumbi, and Kodena Numbi. I'm here when you know what that's about. What's so dainty? Hey, was it a Tobinco Pharmaceuticals, cough of syrup, our dear baby. Into one thing, you were cough of baby, and Kodanto to fill a bro woman, a bra woboa, na cough of child, Nanso dear, and Kodan, and you know, a bro woman, bush, a woman, more SCA, a trust. Na cough of adult dear and pennyford dear no and na cough of family. We can do it to a Tobinco Pharmaceuticals. So one cough of Nansa, now we want to work. Go doctor. Cough of syrup. Send your media do what does ye dear. Must soon say,
FDA surgery quite to mu ajatum say ye.
Anti-pharmacist, if you phone United Power, Nanson, ye won't cacran say, may you tip a yen, Kata, if winning in SC, me banon so when I'm mad, why you say boho, na mediate, yet. As me need to 12 from a dear sort of baby a bit jam as well, a jamega, ga, na washe. Me fear dear, what do you? May you so fear dear, a yeduchum, into where say in free fear. I think 101.9. None your drooping.
David, Ora, Tipaya dear, Wabajuma Musa pharmacist no. Me hubia. Ain't it to wasi? O wife Tipaya Naza Kataka home. Good. And no obey here. Entramor D. And I was so vanity payen so amana yembre. Okay, and no obey here. Entramol and Kasa. And I would know see a job ga. Alright, that is tension, headache, or migraine. Okay. We'll be here. Entramol plus. With the na no fear for no said the matrama will not prepare.
Entramo D, ni Entramo Plus no. Enyagro, e tuti payasi de kude. Nji is a ubet na ho. Na etia power there. Ene wa wasa.
FBI hwe say dwede nkratu ajatum say ye.
Abuja for na mase sama twa ye ya de adwadi nkrato ha ya agenkwa 101.9 yesumi live e wo Facebook page no agenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 agenkwa FM Kumasi 101.9 YouTube ya agenkwa FM live yanko na Mira Abubakar we deputy Nasara coordinator wo swame MPP amekuno mu na ye ne no eni nkomo akwa efie boko de
nyame adom minua abianaba nyame adom ya sorry anope na moja edi afurusani de ja na se kese na de ma otwedi amponyankopon especially atachede abodwuma ayetimi kasa ide asida eni kabia ene ye de ma otwedi amponyankopon na ubisa me ho de na nyame adom me ho ye sanso na megidi se me am electoral area ni so amefo yina wo obi aho ye me MPP nso obi aho ye chama wontumi ho ye o se me ba me ntia wo se na se o ya akola body ntime control yo nti me am boss so Nasara coordinator Ashanti regional Nasara coordinator so ne ho ye me tia na no pay so na me tia so na me tia me MPP form wo so amina as the deputy Nasara coordinator e wo so am constituency there Sunday ye meeting Nasara meeting no obi abaye
okay
bibia ye kama so ma bibia
yo Mira Abubakar yenhwe Attorney General na montu a wo to obo speaker man yese onka nche wiase nya se asin of se de nyu obi adea enyu obi adea adampan enu dan abaye na ye di ho nkomo me no ka say MPP wa asin of NDC wa asin of na no NDC for ko here all night ho me say Ghana for mo me nye by election tumo na senya by election MPP for mo pede wa asin of NDC for pede ho e dio
Adriana ba bedase didi kairo Adriana ba yenya akonya bi say ye be kasa semi ye privilege ena yenya
okay
enti say yenya akonya bi say aya na no kre kan no say etimi kan because sabi omo ti ye do na wodim die chen yen anya say wodim die chen obi a do na wonyansa chen yen anya say wonyansa chen obi anti say hia say da wo say yeso kakra bi anyame adom ye no yeso ye kire na amanfo ti ase say ye ka say attorney general and I say minister of justice attorney general no means that aban no ni tuba dia wodie ina efa mra bia no eye attorney general na say de and a minister of justice no che say Ghana mamu ina no se pepeyo ebeye adwuma e wo Ghana that is where the minister of justice also comes in intina yaka ni na abom eye nipa baako your friend Godfrey Dame honorable Godfrey Dame as the minister of attorney general and minister for justice Miria no kre abamo bia wo asem north and odi asem call supreme court e ka chom say nimfa odi call court and o ka chom say there be yenua yi okita dual citizen wati amra e kwanya ofa so a otimi ye nyoma ansa na otimi be contest as member of parliament for asem north for no ati amra nti misromo mo hwe na mo hwa na konya no mpenifo no hwe kratam no mu say no kre e na o mo hwa na konya no emwa
c'est ça obeja di chilo
ayo o say
de obetimi enya DC bio
ene de wa woni tua say yes
me ka mai nimfa ma ke nimfa cheche ni na otu za ala mo no o di nya DC bi
enya DC oye man papa okoye the civil rights civil duty and okoye
okay
you know ba na ye na no you will be who your friend is separation of power say your three arms of government no that is the executive legislature and the judiciary
okay
obia ni juma dia constitution no ama no kwan say onye dey ondie
okay
legislature that's omo parliament no omo juma dia ye dey ama say omo nhye mra ho executive no yes we dey implement emrana ya hyehyɛ any policies a e dey be ma ntutu abakuni and the judiciary no omo nkoa na ye body a constitution am omo ho kwan se omo nkyerɛkyerɛ mram Ghana mra na ekoso yina no se obi nti bibia se bia ye judiciary ne
okay
and then na watch pepe so ame yame adom ye bia ye court e wa ya me gidi se ye invite mo so ma be ma na ye kama nti menua sa three arms of government we no obi ani ne jumadi a
okay
judiciary omo de ne say they interpret the constitution onti bibia se a ye ka say kobo obi anase oni obi nkonya asem da bi yes fabra court especially say a constitutional matter a only supreme court nko na wo ho kwa ntina o kasa na o keosu o go to the case of Justice Abdullahi versus the Attorney General or the court with regards to the abattoir, whether say deputy speaker preside there obetimi ato aba and also want to into aba, and they ruled it. Say deputy speaker is a member of parliament. On yes speaker 101.9. Oh, eti sa nyoma no ene kobaye. Minua yaba before the 6th of January 2021. We cautioned the NDC. Ya caution mo eka che mo say, Jesu question wa form umra. Na emra na in 2012 edi Adamu Sakande no. Sa emra ni bi no. Jesu question wa kwa Jason question. Jason Jache question. Wa kwa form sa emra ni bi. Eti minuarom mo hwe say ma mo mane mra parliament mpo na wa ba be dey. Wa ba be hye mra bia maganafo. Ye kanya nkofo ya anti e ma ye de court ceremony na ye de mai say ye fam be ma speaker of parliament ni ade and this for ampene especially honorable Muntakadi baby already all say eba parliament minority side na ye bubo bi ye kikikidi or your number 1 oh eti o ma ampene no ene one penny ye ya famra kwan so obi afamra kwan so ama ene emra ne se ye hwe nipa na akonwa ne ye pepa ne di kura free parliament emra ne na ekasa wo enya me anase na nado danko akufo ado anase gofre dame eti se ene emra ne se ya na se gofre dame atwere letter ono na ye minister for Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Okay. Peri you be a Ghana Hayinano, or never was a Timmy na 8 de Ebaso. It is Attorney General Peri your Eba Parliament. Now what letter Eddie Aqua Speaker of Parliament the Bonnie anything. Bonnie man away. Bonnie away in an say. Emrano say yenyi ni pano in free parliament ne pepa ne dinti. Me shabo say speaker declare ne seat no vacant. Ne enkoye by election. And one no. And this form na ya kum. Almost yenja omo. Adenya executive ni dey control judiciary. Executive no and catch judges dey omo ye ni ade. Enya me wonwa because omo pay mu His Excellency former President John Dramani Mahama. What the kai kam. The kasa yem ni bi bia oye ina e kire say oye obi a emra pa ye friend emra de onya de a odiso because in 2012 the same court the same judges no ebu asem ma wo ema wo ye president in 2020 wo de asem no court a asem no anko wo direction de wotimi nya abotre enya akukuduro ekot na ase eka ase omo ye unanimous FC so omo de bibia na omu ina omaje atuma omu nim nyansa bia omo de be hwehwe nsemu e no an say unanimous FC it is a John Dramani Mahama akasa menua mugis ebetna akasa me enya me wonwa enka me coat na aka me shirt easy form no menua easy form no de ekosi ye ina ne say Jesu kwese no ye fra bibi he was your friend be peggy. Say all control or bedroom at chairman saying control at a public officer. Okay. Because it is clear in the electoral commission for book in say so we are dual citizen now. You don't apply to be a member of parliament. The question is, time now all baby apply no or you only single citizen for Ghana and I say or you dual citizen. That's the question. And this for you no. And then Emma Obi so we are dual citizenship. Utimi be only a Ghanaian citizen. And then they say, Yabama Okrata, et say, no credit, Sakrata, which say, I, but denounce me citizenship or Canada. Me patro all Bahono, no, or the Sakrata Bayana. Okay. Again, but these are the petty questions we are asking. Now, Mr. Form, no, me can't end this for say, Omo Pomon Kosoro, Emrafo, court demo. And yet, court demo, you could be we don't talk emotions in court, we speak law. Ya come right. Etu betina ho na wo ka se asem bi bakra utumu se omo won chen kra no de on beka no nyansa wom kra che de bema no me exam sam ko ye me tre I mean o de ma me fine no to chen eye emra na ye de ye ka ho asem it is eye emra de a eye court emra no so no it is being guided by laws of the country a judge for no multi court no eyemra na ye de ye aduma no eno no mo ye de omo de ye aduma okay eti be sre and this for omo jai sa omo dede no sa omo dede na emfa hwema say ya o mbeba be dey on social media any media so especially ajonkwa ekwachire say ni dey o mbeba be dey sa emfa bibia na o mo nkoye adwuma na ese efata no
Mira Abubakar na wate ne kanu ma me nkomi wura kwakwantu wiso na akra yentie no enu a MPP ameku asante mantemu friends and twofo nhiem die na enu anu aso ye afe baako a current executives here wo su no monya afe baako no mu bu nkompa ahwe adwuma o mayo baby o maba beju ni baby o mbeso mu ko e ma chama utumi ka say Kumawu was the greatest achievement here adwuma wono mayo so makoji city no ete aba ti o mayo adwuma so pa so betimi adi city no require a lot and no dan chen ya omo kan say MPP betimi adi nkunu 2024 Jesus Swami interchange aban babeye edima wo mu chama wuntumi se empo se mfidie kura besi so na ye nwie kura no a eno no ye yastic a ebema asante mantemu MPP nkunu die no akọ enkane akura entiwe na wusi se me ka se mi nwie na
just a grown toss
oh debi
it's a political party.
Ejuma wa ye wakoji city Kumawu.
Oh, na say Kumawu city na ye o city. So ultimately say Central Region for to me Jessica in city there. Then we talk about this issue. Kumawu a traditional area.
Okay.
And it is a Uji Kumawu city and so we in achievement. A normal. A bay diama NDC say obi rasa to grow.
Okay. Okay.
And he said, Uji Kumawu city. I mean, you sure say we cranking here press conference. 2. Now, President Mahama, year campaign, ever second interchange Dubai, second Dubai. Let me say, let me crew interchange. And this all interchange on client. Memi constituency, that rural community, no, does it affect it?
Okay.
Yeah, well, 47 constituencies in Ashanti.
Yeah.
And it is a year one interchange was Swamia. And so what?
Hey, 40 out.
Oh, and I may just say, me macrassy or no, yeah, interchange the ISU, the yo macrass. And you could die. And so, Kania. Na ye carrots, ni kakumba, ni vegetables are ye diano. Ye being
ready market.
Na interchange, you see one constituency in Kumasi, no, will not determine that community to vote for MP.
Sir, Ebema Asante, the face left.
Oh, Diana. Minimburunia, ye won Milano. Me be free Milano no, now 45 years. Semari Bruno. On full plane that. And you would say, how is the experience in Airborne when you are in Bruni Fita, Bruni. Ka ne ka o yusu no em se ni papa ne toma no be fie wo frifie no ko adwuma no ko supermarket efie adwuma supermarket ba se kra no e bia o yakula no ko school no for ba sai 101.9 enti me say we interchange si swamia it does not determine kwan obefa so obewini aba
akwa wo so che say
me person me tre say they should get serious. They should get serious. No mun ya say na oye contradicting those who say wouldn't video crowd be good. And then say Ashanti region as a whole no we don't think about anything.
Oh say Ashanti region ni MPPT mo ko nakra na.
Me kan wo because mo ko nakra na na yes would makoshi.
Oh there's so Ashanti mem ti na me kan sa.
Baby yen ko na nkrada.
Yen ko. Enti no say ko ba na say interchange kura abaya ba ho na wonu baby ana abato ba ye behwe so say ye die mu nie
me di me constituency me constituency
mo ho de nka mo nyanza
me constituency ye miensa Mampong Afano South
Mankrazo
yes ena Asokwa na me say Afano South any Mampong any hia me pa because as crap for there we enim di for ye dey say bi unkrase for nti me madwen no e wo krase
okay
se bibi simam na ekanya amia metoaba ama de o deserve say metoma no but me free man pon ba na mbedru so amia me nka say ade a wo maye no meto ama political party or yes ade no because mahama asem o kan say infrastructure development building infrastructure in general no, is an exercise in mediocrity and I believe that it's ordinary when you do these things. Yes, aban wasa die ne say aban wasa die ne say yeto abamawa ubehwe say manfo ehunbeto mu ahoto no akwan ka ho enso any other social amenities and afi economy enipa na adwuma eniskasem tutuye a nipa ho be hare no na aban so ehun hare no ne nyina move forward as a nation. And you say yeto aba the government as a body no individual responsibility na ye nyina kaboma collective responsibility ye tuato na mo gigi na mo di ye de sese mo ye eno no to me imagine mo no and translate into vote say mete mampon na ye interchange go so ame na me free me constituency share that project no ho say me to abama party eno ye partisan political interest.
Okay.
And ye very maybe political but not partisan.
Okay.
And the imagine ye me no ena ebrebia meka. And sa baby ye bibi won crying. Na so wo be gina mampon. Te say the NDC for ye green book no mo de nam. No mo de kan asem no. Me hwa na ye mesre. Fine. Ade na ye decentralize bibia. Project we Swaminesi Joe Ghana nyina benya ho faso but swami enesi enti enka party no political marketing party hierarchy here no enti wo mu ni channel bia wo betimi ni government na kasa. That is some of the questions I will put up. Okay. And party no ni any structures. Now would it be no? It is an advantage.
You we are seeing in say abano wa memu a meye interchange na ye wie ya no.
Walk utopia e the amount opponent is on for more public. Until we should be guided about whatever we say because unya kan ya na abeda archives nipa dibeye adwumati
ntine we no mu bitu MPP party no ana say
yes it doesn't make sense say we be free we press conference party no hierarchy ho mu parliamentary caucus ho president no you can just apply and go to the presidency and tell them your story. So mu party cohesion now friends and true phone shemu na brofo akase ana make ho asemi na media eyeme hikura eyeme tiny say asante man mu ha obi adudo na about 99% eti yakase.
Oh yeah.
So why do you come and speak English to us?
Ani ebe hu swaben we yesa
ani ene say brofo kan ye di buman brofo din anu ye den en toponko enti matability de mo pese mo ka kira ban no I forward it to government. Now party people know, party communicators know what you intend doing. No more remove seeing kakra. Now friends and choice for share more. What utopia at the amount opponent say J na me ya odi ahome. Enti ade o mo ye no de me hu emfaso wom. And I say as if say nansen no Yanti woman country, they want to tell people something. Does it make sense to you as a journalist?
Okay.
Say MPP for Central Fushi and say so I'm a project, you know. It's a bind.
Omuni say be a yache. Also now kwa hofu amu makodo do ho.
And you almost say
and Central Phobia cabo makodo do ho.
Oh, that here Emra President Kufuor started so for line interchange no. And che ena MPP eco opposition. Ekosi say enneya ye de kasei omugusu a omunyemwie so just here and so for line omu beye wie near to about 2024 what do you think
nankasa ye tete good months
and he is defeated
sir.
Oh 30 months Ghana had asokwa from brewery to Dompase Junction emfiensia ansana omutima bi mvie makuma kunsia I wanna mete still akura
2.5 years omutima femi
Way project way. Oh, we wish to say they work day and night. Nanka omari, so that inflation, any depreciation of our currency, any Myanmar entry, ideally, sana sasenkeba because Sebrunidi project be artisan impression no ebesi hwa. Next wo ma hye eyawi. Enti wo ba ta.
When October na 1 year or they are so bebo
for adia mi hu aye enchanse a o de atwa ho ahia ne enade bia o de abobọ so amia pegs metals bia o de abobọ for no mo say
and o so mo test asase na ho de na hwe
oh na asase ho de ben na wo test
mira akwa ntwo usu na atele garo asase no o da ho de dada mujis aya akwa ye ntie we ade na wo siri
da bia akwa system question me of a kind no na one contest asase aho de na wo de asokọbọ form
sa
one at the project a wo ba be one test asase aho de na wo de asokọbọ form say wo ba be start it means say o ko test na say enye favorable na chese e maso no ana asese
okay
ye de amanfo adwini e di agoro keke
da be boa minu aboa
mesero we na nka me pese me kwaja chikwesi nke so no but ma me nko because of time factor no ma me nka asemwe na me nsensi studio wa ha until say Ashanti Virgin ebesesa omu voting pattern impuntujuma ebeba Ashanti impuntujuma de ye nhu ne be wa ha da
asa impuntujuma wa ha
I'm telling you
because Ashanti me say impuntujuma wa ha
until we change our voting pattern no you will never see development asa yeyepe
okay
asa yeyepe okohwe vote dudu a NPP for edema Ashanti Region edema Ashanti Region for edema MPP as compared to development eba no we are far behind. Let me take
now you better win the vote ya yadema NPP na tele development ya wosi enya
na mebo na the entity to aba mebo we hear the county now in terms of almost everything no development was say about sentiment mu bebe say your chef yes I was say your chef even putting NDC MPP kura 10 aside no I was saying so yetimi ye chef bi
okay
bebe kura no simply because nipa dodo na your numbers no
okay Matthias
we have the numbers
Matthias
and aside we have the numbers no so no sentina de bia na me dia sawasi ye mfato ho impuntu jumenti ne ye den ye to aba
okay
nti se ne me begina wenim na me hye obo se otoma me ameye usi me develop ha me see school ade me yesi na continuously me ase every election ye bia no boshe na me gina so a me hu impuntu juma bia no sabi e kina be me sa begina wenim a enidie mu e wo se otoma me anase wo se
de bi wadada me
enti adada nko na yede ma Ashanti Virgin for
na unza ade dene se abambe Swami interchange
the Swami interchange aside no is the Swami interchange the only project I hear market for Ashanti Virgin until now enti
for now no there no need the landmark here
when him say to be make in general terms because I'm not limiting it to the Swami interchange for how many years has the Buankara Inland Port has been on the pipeline till now no 2 years ago
Crowfield market across
yes 2 years ago omampeni na do dan Kwakufoado ebeda na naso and I mean can he came and follow him say onko boa no na omo nsa onko fa aso mofom for the Buankara Inland Port till now Caterpillar ba ko kresi ho she aso Swami interchange way for 3 or 4 consecutive years every year bian ebe budget no so na so hwe
na no ba ye ya we dey
asema mi kan nyina ni say the limitation should not be on Swami interchange say ya nya ye vote be no
enti na chama wuntumi kan sa asemi wun se
ye enti na chama wuntumi ka sa asem ni nyina ni say ontimi nye open because of ono ni dibra wo party ne mu eni nyaya abaiwe edi asantifo. In simple terms, no, adi our party nyina ni say development emra sentiment mu bebe.
party no edu omunyan ache yaka o ma ache na
they are lacking behind in terms of the
region kwan papa ye twitwa de ato ho
aya na etumude
ko eastern region kɔhwɛ atama mike eyo open secret amene wuka
propaganda
ko na do dan ko akufuado ko ni backyard kɔhwɛ ekwan papa bi a ye twetwa edi ato ho kɔhwɛ the level of development ɛkɔ as compared to Ashanti region. I'm telling you.
And Mujis said there yera untumi aken ebema abana ye soba say aya chama na eka sa asem wo
yo enu echi ya before untumi bakasa no kora no na po matu opoko prempo ngabo e dey asem na okaye okani pefe say ye in short no uye Ashanti region sebi man kasa in terms of class we fear some okay but in short some our purchase nyina ni say Ashanti region for all the about shoe muchukura na say one no mo hwe kura at the end of the day mo kwasala no so on beto am MPP
okay
entina make us say yan say your voting party and being serious ya mama from NDC the way
no one na ka t-shirt bi asem no
exactly so almost the omu hiya nyina ni t-shirt and no yes quality t-shirt the MPP for here it's true they should take me on the MPP for nyina no ma me the right terms no the MPP for nyina enyina any t-shirt omo quality t-shirt na omu ti ada on beto abana ma why enti ekwan pa ye twetwa wa Accra ni Eastern Region ni nasifo nyina no asantema ye de bi ba ha enye yi ana
enti na interchange no ba no
project huge edifice yes isi wo Eastern Region any greater Accra no ye de ba Ashanti Region enya na interchange no sebi say kana me twem ho it is long overdue enya your utmost priority asema work no is interchange the utmost priority no Let's just talk about the bread and butter issues more. Send me for a seeking. Obu interchange or the yaden. Na farming communities are omo pay kwan padia link you omo to say main road no korano. Omo akwan yetwa. Enya na mo mfa so
ade na udidi so sa
no mama nka bibi ntrawo enya ye
o person obaji atu say interchange be ba
so ina rosu e wo say utimi yiye ni nyina na
two face
send ye beya se wo ye farmer na che odo
farm produce na
ba ye ni na sifo na ekwan ya obefa so eyi sa no ma ye no e dey free farm e dey aba main street no na say edwaso no e be easy amount but ina rosu no ye very porous.
Okay.
We are not talking about that. Many people lack access to quality water. We are not talking about that. Many people lack access to electricity. We are not talking about that. Bread and butter issues are sebi. We are not talking about that.
Okay.
Until Bible limit everything to interchange. That is why I'm saying indirectly no. Chama wunti me. Enya interchange no wasem na opese oka. Ade a opese oka nyina ni say ye vote dodo na no. Eko edema MPP but omoko omo twa omeni enhwe
asa de na akra kan asem wi say kasa asem wi nyen sentro fo nhiem die
exactly
a closed door meeting
but unim many times omako closed door meeting omodi asem wi ato omapono so aye hwe omo
ti ba bonten
yes utu ba fo ne wenti for the pia bonten
and yeah utu ba fo budis
Mr. Mame for Welande yes for the pia bonten Mame for Welande na me ka asem bi Mr. very quick one o he kwabi Easter 2016-2020 consecutively
umuna to abama MPP pa
they are one of the worst roads in the county Kwabe but in just under 2020 election they gave MPP over 75,000 votes it tells you sir it mebo entiaduanaba Omamamu over 75,000 votes in just under the election 2020 but compare the level of development now.
Okay.
And I say I can authoritatively say omo kwan mo da simply because they know say omo the quality t-shirt kwa they prefer that one.
No aye Mujis na wate ne kano Abubakar yentie we
Adriana ba medasi ye kan ina no na ye hwe jumadi a yedi no Adriana ba jumadi a say yenya akwanya si na e wo say ye ka no kore na asimbi e wo say ye ka kire
say wan e twa tro why
na say ye na yenim de wo twa tro na de o ye propaganda na yenim
okay
de o ye propaganda ene de wo twa tro Adriana ba no kore ye koto aba eyi ye regional executives 1 year ene henra nti enra ena regional chairman no case ende man nye press conference or the executives na o munye press
yeah titi say wo mu nkototo ma ne bia isi wo mu ninu wo mu ho say na say
be pa to me to aba ni bi me nu me ho da ade tina me nu me ho
okay
because my executives are working judiciously to help my party bring the 8 in 2024 me nu me ho aye dey
okay
omo kasa ina na NDC for Adriana ba say ye near brea ya mentan titi NDC for omo de on ya kire omo ekwan omo besi afa so aye propaganda
okay
because mama kasa say abato bia ya ye ne ade nti bi na me nua na ba betina ha wo ye bi no but eno no de ya mentality no because me nua no so na ya kire ne se onye nti ame adom eno press conference no chama wuntumi ebo na ado abaso eno brofo a chama wuntumi kai too much so splendid
asem we na me bra kokwa ntwe uzum peso be table brofo
in fact Wuti ukrum. Na brofo no ayo one kan de na be yo.
Of AM time.
Na bi me kan say yo time na one kan brofo de na be yo.
Dey be at the press conference be awo ye be awo.
Okay. Brofo emergency press intelligence.
Okay.
Na nyame adom eno ano e na o say ene oba na wama obi ahu say yes ono so he's there.
Okay.
Oka brofo. In fact brofo na oka no so
obi ahu ni say he is there, he is on course.
Say o editor you kra no the brofo a oka o editor you kra no oma.
Okay.
Me kamechro. Ti nyame adom.
Ye nti brofo ti na ni brofo.
Ka wonte ha. Nka wonte ha Adriana ba eno ano na obobo projects dana na do ase any projects a dana do e dia ba Ashanti region. Adriana ba me ka esi fidua we say project ananado aye no Ashanti region aban bienu a wotimi aye sa project ni bi wa oh I'm telling you for a fact.
Okay.
Project aye any de ananado even during year this year President Kufuor Grano wotimi yes sa project ni bi wa
hey masa
oh yes I'm telling
Abubakar.
you I challenge na mere to and I bet you to challenge me say about the road infrastructure there is no government what me aye road infrastructure e wa Ashanti
Kufuor ntimi anya de Kufuor ado aye bi.
But say I read my lips. I am challenging each and every one, including our listeners. Omo be frɛ. Say nipa no frɛ on challenge me, including you. Enemy NDC near. Wa bet na higher propaganda. Me say no. Say obetumi a me betumi am na be 2 minutes of my time. So
interchange wo asafo na ye.
Me pa cho me pa cho
ana de wo askwa na ye.
Kufuor.
Ana de wo ai agwaga so fulan so
Ani na
me pa cho me ba Adriana ba the mileage another the kilometers of roads another ayama Ashanti region aban bi enu awaye bi.
Okay.
That is the road infrastructure I'm talking about. The asphalt overlay another ayama Ashanti region aban bi enu awaye bi. Say mo say enye no kra mo challenge me.
Okay.
It is say nyame adom na se nanado atimi aye bibi se amaya eya aseda kese ene yede ma no enu na chama wuntumi ekotena wa no all chire da nanado ase nemmom all kan ina no
Oliver Twist
all ka chire nanado say we want more nemmom ye want more no project bako a wo ye maya ebetimi aye ye de ama Ashanti region na ababe boy chi dom ama 2024 yetimi de MPP asaba power no so ame interchange.
Na wo gidi se so ame interchange ba Ashanti region na be gina so de ato aba MPP.
Me ba ho. Na me adom. Ashanti region se open nodal runabout and interchange. Nodal runabout Ashanti so ame runabout.
Okay.
So ame runabout LNK to the western part of Ashanti.
Okay.
It links you to the southern, to the northern, to the eastern part of Ashanti.
Yeah.
So it is a very important eti me offer kasa o ka say oh me a me meti makura ase dey so I'm run about no offer obeba be di dwa e wo kejetia obesia ko ukro ma likelihood say obefa so obi an beba be say likelihood aye bia obe free wo kura ase obeka so okọ aye bi e wo ofenso ana okọ aye wo mampo ana okọ aye one day bi obeba be fa wo obehu na nado nsa no adwuma okay that is what chamba wuntumi e ka ho asem menua eti there are projects bebre a ekoso ye projects there say ye ka projects I na make sure say there is no government why your projects ewo Ashanti region echen na nado Gadankwa Akufo-Addo Abanwe any projects are eguso a eko menua agenda 111 each district is getting its share so am here there ya bosso okwa almost all the districts need that ye see so am mo de no he anu ma de ya misro e ya ma wo okay ya okwa unless with permission because contractors no okwa you saw the permission yes omo ma wu house even me as an assembly member kura say me ko ho enye easy yes they are doing their work say omusuro say maybe ba now about be your mind na ya and your mind and your mind na ya for now it is not in the hands of the Oman, it is in the hands of the contractor. The contractor no has to ensure the safety. Good, and I make it say they will show you the protocol how big you so and what you obey. What you say? And school na motor no. School na motor am dey. School any if you are no. So I mean what do you? Don't say. We bought it about 2.5 million Ghana cedis. Yes, as I said, and if you know, and at 2020, a capital when we say 2020 day, budget, municipal budget, municipal budget. Oh, that is the amount. Yes, and so far I think we have paid over 40 million Ghana, 1.4 million. So far, you have 1.4 million. I don't know. Now, Yamiadon. Say the medical hakano. There are a lot of projects. See, I mean, say Ashanti region na baby na ekwan ho eden kakra ye kwabere. Is Nyamea dom ma. Say ho eden ma wo. Enye no kra me I start here juma. No na habo and this bonu. I say omu yo mbeka. See, I mean, say wo come aso adu. Abi for mu tie o. Yaso ma kwan nyina ye ya ma. Me say ya start here ye. Mo ye. Exactly. And obi a wo kwabere bia no will attest to the fact that we have started doing the roads, common ponting area. Lamentations, lamentations, a cacophony of noises, a free NDC for no. Of course, so cacophony, and they are those making those noise. The people are there. Me say, Mr. Moya, cameras, no more whether the works have been started or not. They are starting a Juma or Maswa Dubia, you are starting a Juma. They say, I don't know what NDC are going to talk about in 2024. Say, Yamiano, so 2024, Edua, it is going to be a year of records. Okay. Samu here the day. Say, and the MPP buy a year mass and for no problem. 2024 bedroom. Momo buy and then we are mass and for Monka. Okay. Yes, you can't yes, they are mass and for the year who see for Mamma Humano Sono. And somewhere, Crayon Core and Rana Yeru Chama went me de ma a buying fast swam interchanging. Who say Obenya raft attention won. Me pato Obenya and ya Clarion Call and yes say or one near Abana and Nancy Bisa Debbie. He was begging. He was begging that, but let me tell you, Mr. Roman, to me. Say, begging, say, Assemblyman, municipal. And I know the nitty-gritties of this particular project. Say, about project, we know minimum. This project, when it's Sikano, about, and yes, it's scanning who. Let me tell you, I never go a project when I delay. There. Contractors no buy, no. Baby, Omo Benya, Asati, Omo, place no crown, Ayasan. Sure. Yes, baby, like within the Swami enclave near the other. Baby, Omenyana, Omo machines, Omo net here, Omo Bibia, Beguna, Asasibiana, baby. Asasibiana, baby. I mean, I wouldn't baby as a sea, Omakunya. Codia. Bon Codia Hono. I want to see Omakunya, Sasia, Omugusu de Bia, Omuji. Oh, my phone, oh, because you as a gun, I didn't know my phone. Ah, Nasa, Yabla, Pabla, interchanging why, Baba Yeno. Was a contractor, but we never been for him videos. Debbie, everyone of us men now can say no. Swami is a new class or Sabi. Swami, yeah, class. Swami is a developed area. So you don't expect so who pay masses.
Then yeah, Casa challenge. I didn't know Casa. It is a
but let's be very fair to ourselves. Because I contractor for Baha in 2019, 2020, 2020, 2021. No more baby on basic to 2 Omunoma. I asked the assemblyman of Niswami, and I'm a compare Salfia Park in a mile. And I'm saying, Maya, San Oma when you're factoring. Factor in like Obiasas Ube Jamano, and I have interchange the Panama. Obiasasio, or mine one cousin to me, baby say, Yakwa Nimuno, and Buntu Beba, and Buntu Obano, ya the contractors Beba, Omukuta machines, and a deba, and Timakate in it, my case, and Gentini Besidania, Yatete, Sahai post office. I contractor now could baby or Codia. I can say a challenge. So I mean, just imagine. I didn't challenge contractor to baby. I don't about let me order my main speak it to the audience. Project is in 2 phases. Phase 1, no, the interchange in Ankasana was yeah. That is the phase 1. And at phase 2, no, that overhead now, baby was on the post office, a Busuku, a baby, a report, go from cry, baby. And as I say, no, looking at the nature of the interchange, no, baby, as I run about one. If we are going to start by the phase 1, no, at the however, okay, we have to start with the phase 2 to open up the roads, no. Say the say about phase 1, no, and how can say it is a see, I mean, no, say every who say about post office or Marco Busoku or Marco or Marco the machines are quite share. I say testing the test out there, you know, and sign on baby, you know, not no, I am ready. But in the main crime, you woman and they say, and then Jessica says, testing for you in feasibility study. Forget about him. Somebody they obey the propaganda. Okay. Although the account don't go and touch it in the man, maybe you and to move your own assassin to me contain the own. I just say, oh, yeah. I will say about continue and continue. Assassinated in so cry and see pillars. Okay. But they are going to test to know the kind of pillar almost is in the other day. Okay. And don't know it's part of their work. And secondly, who say about the congestion from so I'm not about to Abusokuru. I hope say you are aware of the congestion. They are on course, but no, I have the firm belief say it is part of the first phase, no. But yes, I told the second phase. That is say you are not about first phase now. It's the America in an Santa Mine. With time going on, your Baba started project no contract. Where I am for in Bianca, there be any beer, where I am Rabubakar, and I tell you, Galo 0204905655 0596248959. But I would do be a Casafi.
Yes, let me Patrick. The Casafi and inside Busumo Namado. So thank you. Mamitia Dr. Alaji Mahamadou Baumia. That's it. No, Nani Swadi will so na Jumoto and to walk up 5 for near this. You bring me one Dr. Yawa say education minister and a deputy finance minister, lawyer John Kuma and a Fred Kodun Cancer Manso Panta. Nami Pacho, sir. And then 3 days, and MPP National about 2 years, are you reading? I finished so, yeah. Now, so as to Coca. Papa, oh, Coca Nanquada.
Yeah, thank you. What do you not here? But I wouldn't be a Casafi. Oh, don't put Uncle Paul of you come on, pay. Yamia Coffee watches what the jar as we get in Kawakra.
I mean, I'm in a point of correction. If you are a similar job, I will get you a Martina Jimmy. It is a Patrick Kayana. But some Patrick do some water. Never name Yamfa. I'll go to the Martin. And I feel like let's go. Let's say, she show my area. And people are better than NDC. It is fair, no matter say. Dana for a moment, you will see. And we're gonna mount a new Kasai and I know Kasiadana. And the idea about poor, maybe two so an answer more can be to be said. Sukua, now all the boys now for a solid wo no kana ma pani anka wo asam bi lenso no ntese wo bi kwan a mo tse bi a yensa ko ya so no su mo sa de ne mesese to na dey ncha afi popodan de ko so no e fonfo na ka kire ye dinuma ye dinuma ye kan ye na ye no so mata mi atese enyi rala ko do kire mate na ese ne supporters ara na nkrofo almost see she am fa na ko do kire mate ama e dinuma kan ko e bi so ba se no mata na
oh yada wasipi me pacha udin ba bia wo kasa free wada roma
Papa desire
mira me ho ye na so e
Adriana ba
akra me ho yo
uni ayisifu nka be ni zibo promo
ayisifu ayi mama
da you man ya betere
tie wo ni ya
akire yo Adriana ba ya mi shira wo na wata mfofo ina na me tia general ye go ko du FM for me tia ko ka de no ko apia me tia BMW shalisa brand so a kede to mema ina ka dem no papa no boa MPP pa ebi no motor mu so ma yo ma je so me ba be president mun kasa na mun boa na adan kwa akufado ma mu ni san se papa no ba o sie de na adan kwa akufado o ye so ami asama ye kan mo ya nya abuto mo nya pampa don fanta na kin se na adan kwa akufado de won te se ya no mo kan se mo de ma ye na ma na ka dompi papa na sa dompi na kakra sa education kwa papa na ya de awode aba no Tomi anya hoto so ami pampa don fanta je min te so ami nte je no be ye ama ya nkasa bi so mpaso
mo isifu ye na wase be ba cha wudi ade ba bia wo kasa free wada roma o pesika gude kwa da
ko pa pa o le mun ya be ma ko da so ni na pa sa na somade ko da so ko tio the next president of the Republic of Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia be ma won si so man no ham e bi ni fosro da you kadire Ova from here the body be and so ono under ban MPP ye war power 2016 etana nyuma awa ye ofa ono is from the party ni dawo ibi muso NDC for je muso mon kan NDC asem ebi flag raise be bin kan NDC asem because muso NDC e to be sure obi o mo NDC asem so da ba o mi ade o se NDC for o ba o be kan NDC for asem na aka de china because ono na NDC for so no ba o mi anya me sira wate
ya da se wa e ba o mi adwuma no awie yam from pa che udin ba bia kasa fi wada roma
Adriana ba good morning
shewi alwa mejo so ya mi adum na so
kiss me pa me fa construction Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia education minister say audition the past was 2020 mana Ibrahim Dr. Sawadon ko ta foto consumption and somebody ko kwapia yeka so mi interchange asem anya IMF ska ene di kokoi so mi interchange anya IMF ska wuri sa IMF ska no omudi be twaye na dia kushi ye kan say economy no amana economy amana stand strong but so mi interchange any flagship program na ye be yan ukroma no ye ko bo business $750 million over China and when ye di factor so mi interchange any flagship program now baba ni ye no but to be an say sir IMF scano obi no di Mr. Bebo because omu correspondent bako eti Bank of Ghana ye pay scano kura odonso but Bawumia die oni ye jere beba mpo ono na ye beba ni ya meji na
ya da se be ba ja udin ba bia wo kasa free wada roma
kana ba udi aglomu
asafo gwa filling station ya chipe nana bedi
I'm going to me nyam for the kojum kansa aye manson kwanta mamin chama pa ana chimo ko wata what God is one of my journey me the second Messiah I Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bi Bawumia mamin chama pa aka me kan say awu NPP ibedi am nyuku yanimi aye dane ni ni se what tuni ma jejim but the whole for the system ase so mi ta de kini kwa nya ni de amampanyi ma me ya hwema ye be din na etu nya ye be to bo ni mo so a asantere de ai ke so amampanyi ko so be kaya na no me minister ni na pa ho tumrika ani wo check de hospital oni tia na no mo ni kire e ye kuma se airport international airport na we central market se so ai ko so a se gana amampanyi no wa be ye ya ba ye oni the mom why you put in your say at a century in Yashi, the funny mama was in I was century. Empty Bushua. yɛyɛ mpɔtɔnima yɛwie ɛti bɛkyerɛ ghanafoɔ yɛmu obiara mu
mo yɛda ase nana bɛdi dɛ bɛbakyɛ wodin baabi akasa firi last corner
aduanaba wɔ no mbere mu
asale bɛɛtirɛ dɛ
yaw aduanaba adina no waba no asale bɛɛ mede wɔduru kyɛ dɛ mema mo ne adwuma na menkɔ atoma kɔ ahoma menkyerɛ ndc foɔ wɔ magye berɛ a wɔ mu tie program yi na mea me bɔs abas no ledi menkyerɛ no aduanaba yɛana awerɛhɔ yɛana ɛmbɔbɔ na yɛana ɛniwu sɛ yɛnyɛ MPP ni ma no bɛtena fidi kɛseɛ wei so na ɔdi this house super incompetent government wei sei ɛna do danko akufo ado bɔhyɛ bebrebe a wɔhyɛ ghanafoɔ a ɛnɛ mo regional chairman ɛna gyina platform so a wɔgu ne ho anim asɛm yɛ ade no aduanaba yɛka kyerɛ asanteman yi o ɛna asanteman yɛ ntie akufo ado ahyɛ bɔ ade sika kyɛ wɔ bia wɔ wiase mu hanom ne ade ɛso not a single project to show ɛwɔ asante region yɛwura John Dramani Mahama ne NDC baayɛ sika kakra yɛnsa kaa yɛ ne ade wohwɛ nnwuma sonko a yɛde ne yɛɛ no wɔ asante region a ɛnɛ ɛtua no ho ka ne ade a na the side aspect of it kaa yɛ ɛyɛ kagyetia phase 2 no John Dramani Mahama de mfie mmiɛnsa ɛna ɔde yɛ ultramodern market wei a ebi ni West Africa baabi a ɛkufa do yɛde sika to hɔ nom ne ade yɛ phase 2 ne fa sɛ kumafoɔ animuonyam ne ade phase 2 na aka hɔ nom ne ade o ɛti sɛ wɔ asante region ne ade a ɛkufa do aban yɛ MPP aban no ɔmu ni bibi papa bi ade ma asanteman ɛti 2024 ɔmu nyina mummom ne fi ɛne tɛ de medi NDC akyi na yɛnsisɛ papa no a yɛwɔ ma ghanafoɔ ebi so asanteman so no yɛmɛyɛ na asanteman ɛnyɛ kramayɛ
asale be yɛda wase ma menkɔ Facebook no so ɔmanfo adwenkyɛ aba yɛn kenka bi sɛ adwon bososo fante akwa south ɛne wɔ sɛ wɔhwɛ yɛ firi no wɔkyɛw sɛ NPP any track record bia yɛbɛtumi ɛde yɛ ho ato soɔ Golden Sparrow ɛsɛ ɔhwɛ yɛ teacher Kujo Tepa ɛnyɛ susu ɛne wɔ sɛ NPP bɛtumi awɛne 2024 election yisɛ nipa a wɔtɛ kitene so ɛyɛ Alan Kojo Kyematen ɔno ne bɛtumi ɛna wɔkyɛm sɛ Kyematen ɛmfa no ho kɔbɔ Bawumia na wɔmpɛ no na sɛ Bawumia bɛdi president wie a na Alan Kyematen so aba wei yɛ teacher Kujo deɛ a wɔka kwasi ewu a taxi driver ɛna ɔse best option ɛne sɛ MPP betna edwaso bie wo no ama Alan Kyematen kwan na abaye o mampanyin na teacher constitution wi amoase ene o se NDC propaganda na fe de aye kese pa ono so dia ode eba no pay no Mujis Ghana fo akasa akra ye kɔ ede na odi gyaye
ade a medi gya mu nyina ne se sebi bɔhye no adoso adada no adoso ma me limiting it to interchange mi bisa sika ben ene edi kwa akoye sa interchange ya
sika na da ho sika na
ewa hi
Abubakar kan
wo sika anka obekɔ IMF for bailout
dabi sika mi
ewa hi no sika na eba no is not meant for capital project o ma yen nyina
ne we saska we o say ada ho dada o
meba adachi ada to wo say sika we ya wo say sika we
chese
meba sanka wo say sika da ho anka you not rely on import cover sika no he ya winning na manasa asa akoye ye reserve so a winning na manaka asa se anka nya IMF bailout ya meni wu kase ko anka sebi anka o man no was it me turn part of our resources ye japadi bi anka etimi to ton bi ansana yetimi ahwe o man wesu sika ne ni ho sika no eni ho sanka sika no ho ne ye wo sika ase ne na do sika ase yeti sika nsu a ye nanso ye bere no anka ye nko IMF for bailout enti sika ne ni ho but mesre me kan mamenyi me NDC spectacle na me fan tunchen because me asante maiba enti development me ni bebia other than Ashanti Village enti development eba Ashanti Village na eba help me more than say ebeko other regions enti mesre anya hwe kora no omon testing grounds no small
okay tamas
omonya adwuade ni bi ana say ni we de bi asidie ni bi
okay
o de MP no o do ne sen kora na mani hu say ebedu de bi obetimi yi nesi nche bi aba
ano aya Mujis Madi na Dogumoro Asante Kotoko former striker Africa de ye mobo ye di tui ho we legend mo hwe papa yi abegu anya ho chiri ku no musi be se nne dokumulu hey Africa bema minu abuka
me da say
Ghana fo akasa ye
asamba ko pena me ka che Ghana fo misramo se wo kasa wo di NDC fo achi a omo de omo ni bibia ma ye sense omo betwa ntro
okay
omo be ye nada propaganda nsema enim nko na omo be de omo beka na NDC afana as a deliberate policy say omo pese omo ma asanteman enim like omo ka say asanteman MPP for enhwe asanteman anase bibisa ebusuafo yenim omo yenim se omo de ntro ne de omo nim twa na se de medical ka no Honorable Osei Mensa Bonsu was stating it clear. Says so I'm in touch in Sikano is there. A loan, 143 million euros loan. And I had Sikano or what and home contract and I say was starting the Juma, I was starting phase 2 and San Wako phase 1. Ebusia for Nyamiadom. Enter 2024 ebeba. Now 2024 elections na ebeba no. Yedi yenim say NDC for the Omako Akoyi omo presidential candidate. That is John Mahama. Yes, so the your presumptive presidential candidate, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia neba. Now, as I me catch wrong. Me catch.
So we dey know what we.
Omo presidential candidate, John Mahama. Yeah, presumptive presidential candidate, Bawumia. Nyamia dum. In 2024 election, year of election of records. We are vice president as John Mahama no ede na we ye and about me also we are vice president ede na we ye. These are the first records I already can share.
Okay.
Answer na you ya ba. Mami ma for example, John Mahama ye vice president no. Ade a we ye ba ni. Atamos catch and so onkoto plane ba emra. Okoto plane no. Okobo apo e wo ho. Okobo krono e wo ho. Ema ono ane president o Atamos esa ka say o ti committee no ma hwehwem. Na me that ho ye wi ana ma ba homia time oya vice president no nyoma pen e na otimi de ba Ghana Ghana etumpon one and na o ka o be relax na waka say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obey vice president at least nkrasi omu ni hospitals and I say no air den ho no wotimi de bibia buy your friend drones say obi yare wo waka obi se sia na drone ebetufu ana odi nu akọ sisi ame no ka say apeti Ghana afana na ama bibia ekoso amanfo abrabo eko nkan wo ba ye wo ba be champion ni Ghana card ene
ni one dey buy
tie me nka so dey aba me so wo ba be champion ni Ghana card for dey buy ya NDC
Mira Abubakar na wate na Ghana
some records we who asem dey be kan no 20.
Ba me ko Mira ko akra na yensu yenti
MPP for omo bebre say
Debbie
me I have taken time to read about Alan Trematin GTP project.
Yeah.
To omo bunu nhwemu yie. My preferred candidate in NDC Elusui. My President Mahama Mempeno. Likewise the Vice President. Eden wo beka fufuro a yenti. Yantiabre.
Why?
President Mahama. Ono di ekoto di ne budget.
So what is so the taxi for nya beto one platform so.
Bawumia. Wonya mpesa. Woye gentleman. Ma onye sa. Me say I am studying me Alan Trematin. Me ni nyanhia e na onka ahwe nkyere me. Enti masua ma dive into what you want to do for the nation. And I like it. Enti se minya akwanya ni hia. Mr. Tiakan Hosem.
Okay.
And today, na womu kana vice president in war ban war kono womunyai because young people from a bit mama win election. Number 2, Dr. George Akom.
Yeah.
Omo buano na yenko afram place. Na yenko buano.
Okay.
No win primaries because say doctor wa nyere ho a ne nkrofo no hu kukuse kufo no no mo edia akanzie no mechia ho nyina.
Okay.
Na adofo a omo agi doctor tum no omo nyina nkeka mo
na
mo so na sene said be ya obehu kania because yen ya batu enye de wo trim ne ahwe no de to abama obotom ene hia MPP for delegates we that say
we ra gwagwadi osu ala hotel de karo pay akra ba beso yeti fo wachichi mechem ye kan ye jahwan yada wo bibiala se kodwonya meche ye producer aba beso na apia producer Rashid Yakini the writer na wode fa Facebook YouTube no so bedin de bia na ba echeni mboatene na ye kwa ma DJ BIS e de adwuma mre atoa so amam na no pay ma memfa nchia so ko enkoma ohene yile abena adoma ma me na no pay da bia wo bia ya chiawo ye di se otwadi ampada roma aponumu eyo ahodene ewo ho woni abusua no ye se ya me bambo e de amount ye da se sa no pa bia wo gibre na utie ye ohene yile abena adoma anope baby a wo bia no ye chiawo ene anope abusua ye sole na DJ BI se pe dwuma bre paso
Wedding, we're your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there, few hours to my